Welcome back to Avengers Autos. Imagine walking up to a truck that promises insane towing, almost magical hybrid power, and a cabin that feels more like a living room than a pickup, all while still looking like it could crush anything in its path. Yes, we're talking about the 2027 Ford F-150, the truck everyone's whispering about. But the big question is, should you actually buy it, or is it just hype on four wheels? Stick around because we're going full honest, no-nonsense review. And hey, I want you to tell me in the comments, if you could tow your dream car with this, what would it be? Let's dive in. Design-wise, the 2027 F-150 is walking that fine line between rugged and modern. The front grille is more aggressive than ever, sharper LED headlights, and a slightly more aerodynamic body that screams, I mean business, but I care about efficiency too. If you've ever thought a truck can double as a statement piece in your driveway, well, this one does it. Compared to the 2025 to 26 models, it's sleeker, less blocky, and honestly, it looks like Ford finally figured out how to blend toughness with a little class. The white body with black roof variant is especially striking. It almost feels like a stealth fighter parked in your garage. Step inside, and the cabin is where the F-150 feels like it's taking luxury lessons from SUVs. The seats are comfy, adjustable in all the right ways, and the infotainment system is massive, crystal clear, and responsive. Voice control is better than before, and yes, you can finally pretend your truck understands you when you grumble about traffic. The driving position? Perfectly commanding. Visibility is excellent, and there's enough room for your gear, groceries, and maybe even that inflatable kayak you've been hoarding. Compared to a Ram 1500 or Chevy Silverado, the cabin feels more refined and tech-forward, so it's not just brute strength, it's smart strength. Under the hood, Ford is mixing tradition with innovation. The 2027 F-150 will have hybrid options alongside the trusty V6 EcoBoost, and yes, V8 fans, you're not left out. The hybrid system is smooth, adding real-world efficiency without killing power. Towing? Still beast mode. Acceleration? Surprising for a truck of this size. For the nerds in the comments, yes, you could do highway merging without breaking a sweat. If we compare it to the Tesla Cybertruck or GMC Hummer EV, it might not be fully electric, but it still strikes a balance between torque, reliability, and range. City driving is surprisingly easy for a truck of this size. Steering is lighter, tech helps with lane centering, and you don't feel like a giant lumbering machine. On the highway, it feels planted, stable, and confident. Compared to last-gen models, highway noise is reduced and the ride is softer without sacrificing control. Off-road? That's where the F-150 still shines. Think mud, gravel, or snow. This truck laughs at terrain challenges. Honestly, if you like weekend adventures, you're going to love how it handles trails compared to most full-size pickups. Tech features are not just gimmicks. Full digital cluster, hands-free Blue Cruise driving, adaptive cruise control, wireless updates, and smart towing assist make life easier. Safety? Ford doesn't skimp. Lane keeping, pre-collision assist, airbags everywhere, and even automatic emergency braking. Practical owners will love that towing assist helps prevent sway on highways, a small thing but a lifesaver when hauling heavy loads. Now, mileage and practical use. Realistically, hybrid models may hit 20 to 25 mpg combined, which is impressive for a full-size pickup. Gas-only versions? Still reasonable for its class. And yes, storage, payload, and towing capacity remain top tier. The 2027 F-150 is not just a weekend warrior. It can be a daily driver too if you're willing to handle a bigger vehicle. Pros? Hybrid efficiency plus V8 power, comfy cabin, modern tech, massive towing capability. Cons? Price jumps quickly on higher trims. Full EV fans may feel left out, and it's still big. Parking can be a headache. Who is this truck for? Contractors, adventurers, families who tow toys, or anyone who wants a mix of brute strength and subtle sophistication. Not for city-only commuters who hate parking lots. If you're debating between a Chevy Silverado or Ram 1500, think F-150 2027 equals tech upgrades plus hybrid efficiency plus proven reliability. Final verdict? 2027 Ford F-150 is launching mid-2027 in the USA. Booking likely opens early 2027. Base price expected around $40,000, while high trims with hybrid tech could reach $70,000 to $80,000. If you want a truck that can tow, haul, impress, and still be comfortable for daily drives, this is it. So, what do you think? Would you go hybrid or stick with the raw V8 power? Comment below. Don't forget to hit subscribe, smash that like button, and ring the bell for more real, honest reviews, because here at Avengers Autos, we never do fake hype.